We're at Union Station in Ogden, Utah, and this is their big train museum, and there's various other museums, some vintage cars, there's the Browning Weapons Museum, and of course the train museum, which is closed unfortunately. A couple cabooses out here, a Union Pacific, and what's the other one? A Rio Grande, the Action Road. Both metal side. There's a Vanderbilt tender here as well. I'm trying to avoid all the noise. That's a lot of traffic. We must be going home time traffic, commuter traffic. But unfortunately, there's nothing here to see where their Merci Boxcar was. There's just a track. And my understanding is it's being restored. There's the track that it sat on. It's being restored. I don't know if it's inside a building here or they took it somewhere else. It's pretty small. It can be put on the back of a semi pretty easy. Here's their placard. If you're not familiar with the Merci Boxcars. And Ogden's a neat place. Can't really see the mountains there through those trees. Lots of old buildings. May pass through here in a week or so again, and we'll stop and try to get inside the museum.